Greetings, my name is Benjamin Gaviao-UCA. I am from Jemez and Cochiti, Pueblo, New Mexico. I'm on a mission to purchase property and open an after-school program/community center in Jemez Springs, New Mexico, and I need your help. Introducing the Afro-Brazilian martial arts capoeira into our Southwest tribe and communities, sharing the values of music, language, singing, dancing, the teaching of self-respect and timing, bringing together people from around the world. We have until November 14, 2025 to raise $42,000, and with your help, I know we can do it. It is my dream to see the next generation learn and grow in ancestral lands, dancing together in a safe space where family can gather and watch their children express themselves freely, building identity and self-confidence with weekly workshops, allowing our voices to be heard from the south to the north, the east to the west, supporting our young native artists to dream and chase their goals, giving a space for vendors to set up and share their stories with the community. 1696 was the year our people were relocated 13 miles south to present-day Jemez Pueblo. Enough time has passed. Together, let's make history and reintroduce our children to ancestral homelands. Coming together with food, farming, culture, hip-hop, hoop dancing, and the most important, love. Love for the people and love for yourself. One person can do so much, but together we can breathe life. Welcome to Indigenous Connection, 1696. To become a donor, please utilize GoFundMe, visit our website, follow our YouTube, and email us. Big thanks to our sponsors and supporters, family, community, pueblos, neighboring tribe, friends, and New Mexico. Without you, I could not do this.